So this is a meeker burner, unlike the Bunsen burners. Instead of having just one flame, it's got a whole lot of flames in there.
Got it cold, alright. Getting out the Gummy Bear album.
And we can get some marshmallows and roast them over our meeker burners.
Let's not cast it.
You can cast it.
To something, apparently.
Do it. Can't look at Apple Play up. You can't use Bluetooth.
So they're starting to get a little molten, so we keep moving it around. Air's just floating in it. So this is generating pretty much a 100% oxygen environment. And it's really, really hot. Okay, so now if I turn this off, get it out of your way, and we take the gummy bear, ready? There you go, and it makes a terrible mess in the fume hood, but oh well, it's worth it. And there you go. So it looked really cool when I used one of these test tubes and got one of them huge, like half-pound gummy bears. And well, I don't have one here.
If I break one, we just like stick it together. Exactly.
No, well, they sell them all over. Even if it's too big, we can just like hack it in half.
They sell like 50 packs now.
Yeah, and we could do that with a really large one then. So that would be a really cool one.